All right. We're just doing one room at a mobile home park, and we've cleaned this room before. I'm not sure how long ago it was. I gotta watch out, the focus is messing up. The last time we were here, there was a window air conditioner in that window.
I wish there was one now.
And I wish there was one now, yeah. But these carpets, the rest of the place got new carpet. And this carpet is from last time, and it was pretty dirty last time. And they wanted to replace it, but their owner didn't want to spend the money. But they've got a lot of evictions going right now, she said, so
there should be some more work.
we should have some more carpets to show out here pretty soon, because with the price of gas, people can't afford to rent anymore.
Why they didn't replace this carpet, I would never.
And it's just trying to save money. This is like a add-on room, so maybe that's why, because people.
This ain't a savings of money. This is a future loss.
Well, you know, people, depends on how picky people are. See, that wall right there is an exterior wall that's just been closed off.
I'm one of the people that look at it like,
Yeah. Got nice short ceilings and everything. Yeah, when you get down towards the end, don't hit your head straight up, and yeah, you'll hit the ceiling.
If I hit the ceiling, I'm gonna hit the ceiling. I'm just kidding.
And we're just gonna scrub these carpets. You using a microfiber?
Yeah, we're just gonna
scrub these carpets really good.
We use the cotton bonnets, but these are so short. These are almost like a commercial glue down style. So
yeah, on short nap carpets and glue down stuff like that, we don't like to use the thin bonnets.
No, I mean
because you can burn through one.
Yeah, you might burn through a bonnet, and you might move over here. You want to use something that's more thick.
Yeah, you want that extra padding to absorb
the carpet. The thicker the bonnet, because if you use a thin bonnet on a carpet like this, it'll burn a hole right through it.
Yeah, all the way around where your pad driver sits, you can rub through, and you can ruin your bonnets that way.
And there ain't nothing beautiful about that.
No.
Now there's all kinds of paint stuff that we ain't getting out. Some of this could be like drywall mud or something like that. If it is, it'll come out. If it don't come out, then it's paint.
Yeah.
Whew.
There's some stuff stuck around the vent. We'll see what scrubbing does to it. You done?
I hope.
Whew, and it's been, I think today's high is 108, and it's going to be well over, and this is the afternoon already, so we're well into the hundreds, and this is Texas, so they're not playing around. When they say it's 108, it's 108. Luckily, it's not super muggy out.
Texas don't play with the weather.
No, they don't.
They don't goof around about it at all.
And this is out in the country, so that's maybe a little bit cooler than it'd be in town.
I hate sprayers.
They don't want to stop.
No, they will though. Or I'll stop it.
If you have to, just unscrew the lid a little. I think the green light's still on top.
No, it's off.
Okay.
This should be alright. I'll be right back.
Alright, he's got the Oreck right there plugged in, so now we're hoping the electrical plug-in he picked works, because you never know in some of these older places. Yeah, we don't trust any of the outlets in this add-on room, because they should be okay, but you just never know. And in hot weather, you're already, risky. So he plugged into a nice cold bathroom. The rest of the house is air conditioned okay, but this room's kind of hot. That's why.
Everything's air conditioned, but this room right here is hot.
Yeah, that's why I used to have a window air conditioner back here to keep up with the heat. I don't even know if there's a vent coming back here. Alright, I'll put a link in the video description for the Oreck. And I'm going to put a link for the bonnets we usually use, because that's the ones that you probably want most of the time. And you get those from Corey Thibodeau, and the pad driver. We're using the pad driver, but not those bonnets. And, the bonnets you can get, if you need a microfiber bonnet, you can get those from direct mop sales. And just look on, search on the internet for direct mop sales.
This is just one of those blue and gray bonnets.
Yeah, this is the one with stripes. They sell the solid ones on Amazon, but the solid ones are a little bit they'll stick to the carpets like this. They're too grippy. And that could be hard on your motor, on your machine, so we don't really recommend the solid ones too much. With the solid ones, you want to use those on a cut pile carpet, not on something like this. But if you go to direct mop sales, you can find the microfibers with the scrubbing strips, and you want to get 13s or 15s. Either one of them will work.
I'll tell you one thing, when you use the right bonnet on the right carpet, you get good results. See, a lot of people will put a thin cotton bonnet on this carpet, the results will be real minuscule. Because those kind of bonnets, I see people all the time cleaning commercial glue down with thin bonnets, and I'm like, why?
Yeah, you don't want.
Maybe the company did was don't sell microfibers.
You don't want minuscule. You want a plethora.
Yes, sir. The right bonnet is what makes a difference on all the carpets. It don't really matter about the crease spray. It don't matter about the machining. Not really. It matters about the bonnet, the right bonnet. That's real important, and people don't realize that. We do, but other people don't. So we tell people.
You know, it's funny when you're in a hot room like this, you realize how much heat a simple light bulb gives off. When you go near them, you can definitely feel the difference.
I'll tell you one thing, every stain is coming out.
That's good. They weren't really expecting very much to happen with this carpet because it's all worn out.
Except for the areas where the carpet is bald, you know, where the glue comes through the bottom.
Yeah, there's going to be some of that in this. It's going to be where the carpet starts.
You might want to come up close here, because this is...
Well, it's hard to stay focused. But yeah, carpets like this, you can always tell when they start to delaminate, and you can see through the top layer, and you can actually see the under layer and everything, and that's just because they wear thin pretty quick.
Oh man, everything's coming out. It may be old and worn out, but it's going to be looking good when we're done with it.
Well, as good as you can do with an old carpet like this.
For people who ask, we don't ever talk about money, but a room like this is $50.
Yeah.
That's what we charge in a room, $50. Now that's, I'm not lying. $50 for a room this size, and we're out of here. So.
Well, I'll tell you what's going big out here today is my allergies. Must be a lot of ragweed and stuff out here.
There's something.
Yeah, it's funny when you come out here, everybody, in this town, the #1 vehicle you see people driving big old huge Dodge crew cab pickup trucks. And you see them all lined up at the gas stations because, you know, I don't know why people buy those things. Out in the country, they love those things, and nobody can afford to drive their vehicles anymore. They can't afford to pay their rent. They can't afford groceries. They can't afford anything but trying to pay for gas for their pickup trucks. And it's always kind of not funny, like, you know, laughing at them, just kind of funny to see how people
want to laugh at them. It's pathetic.
Well, you got people that they live in a trailer house and they got a $75,000-$80,000 pickup truck, and they have to go buy gas like every couple of days for it, and you know, nobody can afford that right now. So that's why this place has so many vacancies. It's kind of good for us because every time people move out, they may have a carpet that we need to clean, but it's kind of bad for people that it's so tough right now. You can't find hamburger meat at the grocery store, and when you do, it's crazy.
We all know whose fault it is, so it's tough, but we ain't saying nothing.
We don't discuss things like that on this channel.
This is not a political channel.
No.
We don't need to discuss it because everybody knows exactly who's done what. We're carpet painters, so that's our thing. That's our shtick on YouTube, not nothing else.
Now a lot of this stuff,
Oh my.
there's stuff that was stuck down that's busting up and coming loose.
Something to push a crack pipe with.
Huh.
Exactly.
Well, that happens out in the country too.
You gotta push that.
Yeah, she said she's gonna have her housekeeper vacuum this carpet, and she figured out that she had the hose on the vacuum clogged up when she did it. So she's sending her back out here later today to vacuum this carpet again.
She said
so.
she can come out in 5 minutes, because that's how long it takes the carpet to dry, about 5 minutes when you do it.
Oh yeah, especially in this heat.
I bet
I'm surprised it's not dry already.
Blowing dry already, like it was never even wet.
But the housekeeper's gonna come back out and vacuum these carpets pretty soon. So.
Now we got a job in the morning that's gonna be a real nice carpet. So this is kind of a crummy carpet, but you know, as good as it's coming paint, I don't know if the camera shows it, but it's a pretty cool job because this sucker was stained everywhere.
Well, I managed to milk 10 minutes out of this video, which is pretty good for one room.
Well, it is. And you know what?
Keep going over till we hit the 20 mark.
See the paint spots I saw. I mean, I've heard that that was drywall mud or paint. Well, here's a little bit. But most of that stuff come out.
Well, you can't make carpets this type of carpet, these old carpets like this especially, you can't make them perfect.
But it's perfect enough.
You think that's it?
That's it, Daddy.
All right. Let me walk out here. Now this is a really high step, so you to be careful. Now I don't know where they found them, but these are new carpets. And there's the vacuum that was clogged up.
When you pull your plug out the wall and you plug it burning up hot, that means you're plugged into a good outlet.
Yeah.
I was plugged into a good outlet. My plug is cold.
The last time we were out here, I'll step on this cord. Last time we were out here, we did that room. Oh, they got a nice little rigid vac. And we did this room too, but this is new carpet. Like I said, I don't know where you get carpet that looks like it came from 1970. But this is a mobile home park, they could find them. It's just funny how mobile home. Now, one thing about mobile homes, they usually use pretty thin carpets, and they have really thin subfloors. So that's where VLM cleaning, like we do, that comes in really handy in places like this because people come in with extractors. People come in with extractors and they accidentally soak subfloors and stuff.
Man with some weight.
Yeah.
Oh, it made me laugh. It's still clean.
And there's a nice. You know, I never bothered to buy one of those. I always thought I could use it for something. Those big heavy dustbins like that.
Oh.
They're kind of nice to have.
Well, you can't see dirt on these things, but there's a lot of trash come out, so that's one thing about the microfibers. They show the dirt, it's like, okay.
Yeah, you can't see it, but it's in there. We'll
It's
go
in
home
there somewhere.
we'll go home and launder that thing, and it'll be dark.
Yeah, it'll put out some dirt in the laundry machine.
Well, I think you guys get the gist of what we're doing.
We's done.
And, you know, it's a one and done. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Till next time, thanks for watching.